Okay. Hey guys, it's your girl Chris Ladies here, also known as Curly Girl Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. For this video, as you can see from the title, right, I'll be trying a braid out. When it comes to like twist outs and braid outs, I'm like kind of iffy. Like I don't know, sometimes they'll come out good, sometimes they come out bad. I don't know. I like braid outs because they make my hair, like they stretch out my hair, but with twist outs my hair looks shorter, so I don't know. But I like the definition, the curl pattern for the twist outs, and for the braid outs is kind of weird to me. But I don't know, man, I don't know. But we're gonna try and see what happens today, tonight, tomorrow. My hair is sectioned off right now. It's in 4 because I just washed my hair. I'm going in with the, I don't know which one am I going in with first. The 3 directions. I haven't used this in dusty. Okay. I'm going in with the Tropical Bliss, the banana leave-in smoothie, and then I'm going in with the pineapple hair milk and just braiding it. Just braiding it. What English, Chris ladies? You know what? I'm just going to braid after I apply both the products.
Oh my gosh, waist length, is that true around the corner? Alright, so I'm parting half of my hair into 2. So then I can part the back section into 3 sections. So once I do the 3 sections in the back, I'm going to the front and I'm parting the front into 4 sections. So in total, I did 14 braids. And then, as you can see, I just spray water, going with the leave-in, and then comb my hair out, and then going with the hair milk, and yeah. So when it comes to the braiding, right, you have to be very careful when you're braiding because this can make or break your braid out. So when you braid, you're going to have 3 sections, right? Of course, a braid has 3 sections. The hair in each section should be even, so you don't have to switch hair from different sections into each other. So let's say that your middle piece is uneven, and then when you go down, you realize it, and now you're switching from different sections and going over. So that can make your hair frizzy when you're unbraiding it, because then it's like it just is messy. So just make sure it's even and you don't have to switch anything.
Hey guys, so I'm back a couple days later. I feel like I washed my hair on Wednesday. I don't remember though. Probably was Wednesday. I don't know. I washed my hair. I braided it up. My eyes just look crazy. Oh well, something different. Braided it up, and now I'm taking it down because this is supposed to be a braid out video. So let's hope it comes out good. So I'm just gonna go in with the Mizani 25 Miracle Oil Nourishing Oil. Okay, I'll have it down below in the description. I can't talk. I can never talk when I come on here. But so I'm using this, going to apply it to my braids, into my hands, and then separate it so I don't create as much frizz. So yeah. All right, so when I unbraid, I separate as well. I don't like unbraiding and then going back to separate. I just you know, I'll explain it better in a voiceover because this is ridiculous.
Okay, so like I was saying, I like to separate as I unbraid. So what I mean by that is, once I unbraid that braid, I separate what I just took out. So you'll see. So I unbraid and then I separate. I don't like unbraiding everything and then going back into separate, because then I just feel like I miss chunks. Also, when I'm braiding your braid, please try to not create frizz when I'm braiding. So when you unbraid, I want you to unravel the braid very carefully so you won't create as much frizz. Like right here is sped up, but I'm doing it very, very slow. And then when I separate, I try to separate where the hair wants to separate. So where the hair wants to separate, that's where you should start separating at. And then if you want to go in for more separation, then do so. But if you separate at parts where your hair doesn't want to separate, then you'll create frizz like you see in my hair. But yeah.
I should have known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a pick. I'm going to use a metal pick to pick out a little bit, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so these are the results. I am done with this video. Again, all the products that I use will be listed down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, leave any comments down below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together.
I'll see you guys in my next video, okay?
When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman.